Brought to you by Probo.
ऐसे ही हाँ और ना का गेम है प्रोबो, द पावर ऑफ यस एंड नो।
The activity on this platform may be habit forming or financially risky. Participate responsibly.
Hi, thank you so much for having me. Pre-match ritual would be sticking by my routine no matter what, because no ritual as such, but the routine has to be followed, point to point.
Any lucky charm that you carry?
Lucky charm, not really, but sometimes I look up the lucky color and all. Otherwise, I believe in like discipline, and I believe in like you have to do your routine and your part 100%.
What's on your mind while you're shooting?
Sometimes music. Sometimes I think like just breathe. Whenever I'm very nervous, I would tell myself to just breathe and relax. Or if I'm very, very nervous, then I look up to my coach and he'd be like, relax, you got this, come on, have courage. So that.
If a biopic is made on Manu Bhaker, who do you think would play the part?
Honestly, I'm not really looking up to a biopic just yet. I want my career to be even longer. But if people want that, then I mean, you decide. But recently I heard Ananya talking about like she would like to play my part. And I would absolutely love her. She's a great actress. And I recently saw 2 or 3 of her movies. And Call Me Bae, I watched the web series and also the movie Kho Gaye Hum Kahan. So amazing. She's doing amazing.
But who would you want to play the main lead?
The main lead, see, honestly, I think many people are very talented in our industry. Many actresses are like amazing, doing amazing jobs. So somebody who is my age, who is relatable and who can actually do justice to my character. Yeah.
If not a shooter, a sport you would have taken?
I think a sport. Okay, I mean, I can say a doctor, but doctor is not a sport. So sport, maybe horseback. I don't know sport, but if anything else other than sports, then doctor it would have been.
3 things that you cannot step out of the house without.
Clothes, house key, and then third one would be no phone. Without phone, I can leave. Yeah, I don't mind. It's a distraction and waste of time at times. So yeah, so first one is clothes. Second one is the house keys. Then third one would be, I think, without telling my parents, I never go out of the house. I always tell my parents where I'm going and when I'll be back.
Just a couple of questions more. Funniest advice someone has given to you?
People don't care. I mean, like, you just focus on yourself, and then after a time, they'll just, just focus on yourself and your career. Build for yourself.
Funniest advice? Beta, ye kar lo, beta.
Funniest, I think now I take everything seriously. Even if people are like nazar lag gaye and all, I take it seriously. I'm like, utar do, nazar utar do. So funny advice, I think about every advice people give to me. But sometimes when people do not know, when certain people do not know me and still come up to me and they're like, in my shooting when they advise me, that I absolutely don't like. Shooting, only my coach can tell me what I have to do, or myself.
Cheat meal consists of?
Cheat meal, although I'm not allowed very often and I'm not a huge fan of junk food, so when I'm allowed, I think it's gonna be aloo ka paratha and then lots of makhan on aloo ka paratha. And other than that would be, agar India mein nahi hu main, so it would be ice cream, I think. Yeah, ice cream is gonna be.
And lastly, a question that you hate answering.
I don't hate answering anything, but it's like 2 things. Firstly would be like, how do you feel? See, I'm really happy, guys. I'm very, very happy. And I know I should not stop. I should look up to the gold medal, and I am. My dream is to win Olympic gold and nothing less than that. So I'm happy for now, but working on the bigger picture. Second one would be... Wait, what was that? I forgot.
The question that you hate.
No. I forgot the question. Second question.
When are you getting married?
Come on, I'm 22. Let me live, okay? Not anytime soon. Thanks.
ज्वाइन कीजिए स्पोर्ट्स तक का टेलीग्राम चैनल, जहां एक्सपर्ट्स देंगे आपको फैंटेसी पिक्स, मिलेगा एक्सक्लूसिव कंटेंट और सबसे तेज अपडेट्स। अपने गेम का लेवल बढ़ाइए सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्पोर्ट्स तक के साथ।